great about this is, Tim, you come from the home building industry. You cut your teeth in this industry, and like a lot of us, you got frustrated.
Yep.
You got frustrated on how we were doing it, because this is a big undertaking.
100%.
Walk us through how this works. So I'm a homeowner. I can sit or a builder or whatever. I can sit at home. I can search land. You guys have collected all that data, all the mapping, and then I can place a house or a box or whatever I want, and it's going to build that for me.
Exactly. So right now, if you're thinking about building a pool or a house or an ADU, you can imagine you'll probably call a contractor. You'll wait until next week until they could come see you. They're going to go speak to an architect and back and forth. Or you can go to CanIBuild.com, put the address in, similar to what you're seeing in the back screen there, place an ADU, automatically check the compliance, move it around in a visual way so your end consumer, so our clients are contractors, their clients can see exactly what they're going to get anywhere in the US straight away in a visual format. So
Yeah. So you say check compliance. So are you telling me this will help me understand what my setbacks are, height regulations?
100%.
My eave overhangs, everything that I need to know about?
Yes, and you don't even need surveyors. So you've got topography lines, you can see what the site cost is going to be without even stepping foot on site. So imagine someone calls up, you're able to go on a Zoom session if you wanted to, see their property straight away in a visual way in 3D, and actually show, yes, it does comply. So our clients include the likes of Boxable. We've got pretty much every ADU company in California, San Juan pools across the nation, and you can even embed our technology on your website. So end consumers can go to San Juan pools or Blue Haven pools right now.
So I can white label it, is what you're saying?
Exactly. And then
my own info.
And then we're empowering our clients, contractors around the world, especially in the US, to be able to better sell quicker. And then the sooner you can do it quicker, it turns into a product. So they're able to sell a lot more, a lot faster, and consumers can see what they're getting straight away.
What's the next generation of this? You guys are already working on it? We're going to see AI in it and all that?
Already the next generation. So, no, look,
why not?
We're always working tirelessly, and we're heavily funded. We're growing quite rapidly. The next move is to just keep on doing what we're doing, because I think we are cutting edge. And the sooner we can start removing those compliance hurdles, which is a big drama for a lot of contractors, I think the better. And the more we can do that in a visual and simple way that us contractors can do, all the better. So that's what CanIBuild is seeking to do.
So CanIBuild, you guys are growing fast here in the States.
We are. So like I said, we've got some of the key clients that everyone sort of probably heard of, say Boxable. We've got Blue Haven Pools, the world's largest concrete pool company, etc. So we're growing quite rapidly, because at the end of the day, everyone is identifying the need to be able to see an address, see whether it's compliant, see what the cost is in minutes. We can't keep waiting weeks for architects and draftsmen and surveyors to go out to site. So
they chose you to be on stage for the launch this morning. So you did an amazing job. Got buzzed. You went a little long, but it was awesome. Awesome. Tim, we'll catch up with you in a little bit, and you guys come over here so the world knows who you are. Here's part of the CanIBuild team. There you go.
So look, really appreciate it, Dave. Really appreciate the efforts.
Yeah, you guys keep it up. Thanks so much. We'll see you guys around.
So over the years in the off-site world, we tried to do pet showers, pet rooms, simply because the pet business remains big. This is a really interesting idea to allow your pets to go in and out of the house through a Wi-Fi door.
We are here introducing our new Connect system. It's a whole house ventilation system. It is wireless and responsive. So the idea behind that is it will integrate with an indoor air quality monitor to ventilate based on the air quality in the home. It can also be commissioned to ventilate based on building codes. So the way that the system operates, it integrates with an indoor air handler unit. And so it will monitor the thermostat for heating and cooling calls, and when it detects a call, it'll open a fresh air damper to bring fresh air in at the same time, sort of piggyback off that operation, piggyback off of the already existing systems in the home. It will also communicate with a bath fan, so that in the moments for supplemental ventilation, it can use that smaller size fan. The G3 will make sure that the system runs to meet that ventilation standard. Some of the other features that are sort of builder friendly, it's wireless, and so you can avoid having to run any fans or connections from the bath fan, from the exhaust fan to the G3 controller, which is typically located down by the air handler. We have some dashboards that allow you to set your ventilation settings, but in our air quality levels. We have CO2, TVOCs, humidity, temperature, that can be modified from the builder side and from the customer side. You can compare our system with most other residential ventilation systems on the market. That's going to give you kind of a range of the energy costs to operate the system in different parts of the country, different ventilation codes, different electricity costs. The other advantage of our system, be it integrated with the heating and cooling system, is that it's little to no maintenance. It's going to bring in the fresh air through the return side of the air handler where it's filtered, and then beyond that, it's pretty much hands off, and ideally pretty low maintenance for a homeowner.